Hello dear viewers, my name is Fardeen Nouri and I'm an immigration consultant in Germany. Today I would like to explain for you when you lose your European Union blue card in Germany in case of a longer stay outside Germany. But first of all, I would like to shortly explain for you what the European Union blue card is, who can get this card, and under which conditions one can get it. It is worth mentioning that because the European Union blue card is a big topic and needs more explanations, I'll explain it for you with all its details in another video or videos in the near future. In fact, a blue card, which in German it is called Blaue Karte EU, is issued by European Union member states to the third country nationals for the purpose of taking up employment in the respective member states. The European Union blue card is designed particularly to attract highly qualified third country nationals to jobs in occupations where there is a shortage of qualified personnel or where a shortage is likely to arise in future. The European Union blue card is the main residence permit for university graduates from abroad. In the last years, the efforts have been made by the German authorities to simplify the application procedures for this card to third country nationals keen to put their talents to use in Germany. The requirements for the European Union blue card are that applicants must provide proof that they have a university degree and they have been offered a job that will provide gross annual earnings of at least 56,400 euros. In occupations where job vacancies cannot be filled due to a shortage of qualified personnel, for example, in case of doctors, engineers, natural scientists, mathematicians, and IT specialists, applicants need a job offer providing gross annual earnings of only 43,992 euros. It is worth mentioning that these amounts of annual salaries are for 2022, and in the coming years these amounts may change. In Germany, the European Union blue card can be obtained only from the foreigners' offices, which in German they are called Ausländerbehörde. Third country nationals who are eligible for the European Union blue card and require a visa to enter Germany will be issued a national visa for the purpose of taking up employment in Germany. Once they are in Germany, their local foreigners' office will issue them the European Union blue card. Now I would like to explain for you in which case the holder of a European Union blue card in Germany loses his or her card when he or she stays longer outside Germany. In fact, a European Union blue card becomes invalid 12 months after leaving Germany. This period also applies to family members of a European Union blue card holder if they have a residence permit for family reasons. You can apply for a longer period if the stay abroad serves the interests of the Federal Republic of Germany. This is the case, for example, with an assignment abroad for an internationally active company based in Germany. In such a case, you can submit an application for it to your responsible foreigners office or Ausländerbehörde. At the end, I would like to ask you to have a look at my YouTube channel, in which you can find very important information concerning different issues in Germany. I have many playlists about different issues, such as about the asylum process in Germany, studying in Germany, doing a vocational training in Germany, how you can get a Niederlassungserlaubnis or a permanent residence permit in Germany, and how you can apply for it, how you can apply for German citizenship and how you can get it, what are the requirements for it, and so on. I've also made some videos about the family reunification to Germany and what are its requirements. You can also find some videos about the citizens of the European Union and their family members when they come to Germany, how they can get a permanent residence permit in Germany or a residence permit in Germany. You can also find some videos about the fact that if you get a rejection or a Duldung in Germany, how you can stay in Germany, what are the possibilities based on which you can stay in Germany. To sum it up, I can tell you that if you are in Germany or you want to come to Germany, you can find very useful videos in this YouTube channel. For that, you need to have a look at my YouTube channel, at my playlists and videos. I'm sure they will be very useful for you. I also recommend this playlist for you because this playlist includes very important videos about the fact that in which cases you lose your different types of residence permits, permanent residence permit, or permanent residence permit, or other types of residence permit in Germany. So it can be very useful for you so that you can prevent losing your residence permit in this country. I've also put the link of the other videos which are related to this video under this video in its description part. You can find it and click on it and watch the other videos, which can be also very useful for you. Thanks a lot for watching my video. If you would like to get similar important information about the immigration laws in Germany, your rights and duties in German society, the living conditions in Germany, and other such important topics, please subscribe and follow our channel. If you have any questions or remarks about today's topic, you can write it under this video and I will be more than happy to answer it for you.